guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and I forgot to film the intro, so we are doing it right here. But you know how everywhere online you've been seeing how to make stickers? We're going to try it today with dried flowers. So start with a little bit of parchment paper, and between that and packing tape, that's really all you need. Online it's mainly with pictures or hand-drawn things, basically flat paper, but I thought, like, what happens if you put in something that's a little bit 3D? So I'm going to try it with flowers today. So I have my paper and my packing tape down. Just put the packing tape down on the parchment, sticky side down, and that's going to create the sticky side of your sticker that you can then attach it to things. On top of that, you are going to want to put down your flowers or little drawings or pictures or anything that you want to make this sticker of. And the issue that I foresaw, that is actually an issue, is that when you put the tape on top of it, there's these little air bubbles. So I'm gonna get a needle and just poke through the little air bubbles and try to smush the air out and make this as flat as possible. So there's not a whole lot of rocket science involved in this. Mainly I am going next to the little buds or stems and just poking little holes and then trying to smush the air bubbles up into the holes. Next up, grab your scissors and we are going to cut out our 3D stickers. So you don't want a big square, just kind of cut around the flower, get it a nice shape so you can't really see the edges of the tape, and that's it. It peels off nice and easy, which is something I was a little bit worried about. If anything, it actually, like, not only doesn't stick to the parchment, like almost doesn't stick to it enough to maintain its sticker status. I'm kind of worried the tape might fall off and I will just have stickers of flowers stuck to everything unintentionally, but cut them all out and we will see what we're left with. So this is actually a fairly fast craft. I've sped up the camera, but it took me all of 10 minutes in real life to make these, and that includes cleanup. But you can see here, like, there is still some air in there. It didn't quite all come out, but I'm also not worried about it. I did make sure to cut it out around the air bubble so that there is a fair amount of tape stuck on the tape. That's not just air bubble that could, you know, delaminate or anything like that. But this is how it turned out. They actually look really, really cool. I'm very happy with them and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.